Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by preparing both devices so the transfer can begin immediately. On your iPhone and Macbook, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then open Control Center to set AirDrop to contacts only or everyone depending on proximity. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked. Open the Files or Photos app and select the file you want to send. Once done, tap the share icon, because initiating the share from the iPhone is faster and avoids permission prompts on the Mac. Now you will select the MacBook as the recipient and execute the transfer. In the share sheet on your iPhone, choose AirDrop, then tap your MacBook's name. You can also open Finder right arrow AirDrop on the Mac to make it visible. If the Mac prompts, click Accept and pick a destination folder. For large files, make sure both devices stay awake and remain within about 30 feet. Keeping them closer reduces interruptions and speeds the transfer for reliability. Finish by locating your file in Finder's Downloads or the folder you selected and verify it opens correctly. If the transfer fails, first toggle AirDrop, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth on both devices and retry. Restarting either device often clears stubborn connection issues. If problems persist, use iCloud Drive to upload from iPhone and download on Mac, or connect the iPhone with a USB cable and copy via Finder. These alternatives ensure you complete the transfer when wireless methods break down.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.